guys, my name is Melanie, and today we're gonna explore this new house. Hey, what are you doing here? For the house.
Yes.
Let's go to the house 14 and scroll down. This is the new house.
Yes. I'm in 13.
What? Okay.
I want to explore the house. Is
Ooh, look, it's look like a color yellow. Wow, this bathroom is so cool. Oh,
I
there.
paint color.
Oh,
Light red. Light red oh. Ito yung light red oh.
Oh, it only English here. Oh, there's some money. There's some money.
Okay.
Wow. In the bathroom. What if try band you ibaband ng house?
Don't speak Filipino.
Okay, I know.
Yung anong itsura yung
Let's band that house.
ban mo ko. Anong ito yari? Oh, di ba? Ito ayan mo. Unban mo ko ulit. Unban mo ko.
Okay.
Yes.
Here. Let's go to my house. Jakarta 456. Let's go to my house. Let's explore that. Ooh, so cool bed. On the first floor, when I play game Roblox. Ooh, there's no Roblox. As the Roblox has been blocked.
Wait.
What happened?
What is this house?
It's the shiny gold house.
I
On the below. Look at this. This yellow house.
Okay. I will build my house. Wait.
Oh, this is my house is so cool. Guys, that was your favorite? Comment down below. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye. It means bye-bye.
Yes.